Hey, what's up guys? I'm back again with my 3 daughters. And since our last video was somewhat of a hit with the Traxxas Carnage, if you haven't seen it, check it out. The Traxxas RC Carnage, where my daughters ran the RC cars. Traxxas Summit and Slash and the Kyosho Rage. So check that out if you hadn't checked it out. And today we got something different for you. And this is going to be ugly. I know it's going to be ugly. They are going to fly 4-channel fixed pitch helicopters, and they are the Syma F3. We got 3 different ones here, and actually you all have never flown them before, have you? Maya flew one once, but that was a long time ago. Ooh. So Maya's flying the what? The orange and green. Callie is flying the white and red. That's a cool one. And blue? Is blue on it? Yep. Well, the tail boom. And Lakin. Oh wow. Yep. She's the one that records for me all the time. She's really good. She's flying the black and orange.
And red.
That was cool looking. And red. And a spider. And here they are. Okay. You all ready? Oh gosh, let me get back a ways.
Okay.
When I count to 3, you guys take off.
Okay.
And good luck. I better come in a little bit. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, I got it! I got it!
Whoa. There you go. Good job. Oh. Look out!
I don't know where mine is. Maya.
If you crash, make sure you kill the throttle. Good job, Callie. Good job.
How do you do this?
You're doing good.
It doesn't move that well. Like a...
Go ahead, Lakin.
Oh, poop.
I got it on low speed. I didn't turn them on high because you all knew.
How do you move forward?
Kill the throttle if you get close to the trees. You push forward on that stick on the right hand side. Kill the throttle. There you go. You ready, Maya? There you go. Good job, Maya. Turn, Maya. There you go. Oh, Maya's got it. I know.
What's this blinking red light?
That just means it's on.
But no, it's like not moving.
Oh, it might have, the battery might have jarred loose when you hit. Okay, well let me get Lakin real quick and I'll get yours up. You got it?
Yeah.
Where'd it go? Oh.
I'm going backwards.
Oh boy. Is yours still working, Maya?
I don't know. Yeah.
Okay. Alright, we're getting ready to go again. That's the second takeoff. Ready?
Oh yeah.
1, 2, 3. Oh, whose was that?
I don't know.
Well, man, they're hard to film.
It's not working again.
Really? Good job, Maya. You got the hang of that, Maya.
I got it. I got it.
You got it?
I almost killed myself when I got it. Nope. Oh,
There it goes. You might be bound to somebody else's controller. Or is it yours?
Wait. No. No.
Is somebody else's?
It's mine. I don't know.
So you you turned your transmitter off and bounded to that one.
I don't know.
Oh my. Alright, kill your throttle. I told you this was going to be chaos.
I got
It's all good though.
I don't know.
I know. Okay, get a close up of this. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, oh, where are they at? I lost. There you go. There you go, Maya. I can't film worth a damn.
Okay. It's not working.
Callie's having issues this time. Last time it was Maya with her Kyosho Rage.
I got this.
I don't know how to move this thing. Oh. It's staying up in the air. Yeah. Oh, I got it. How? Wash out.
These things are everywhere, man. Crash.
360.
Well, good job, Callie. Where's yours at, Maya? Yours done for?
No.
Okay. I told you this would be madness. Oh man. Maya, you're doing pretty good.
Eyeballs.
Whoa!
Holy crap.
She's got the hang of hers. Oh! Who's that?
Mine. Where's yours go? It's right here. Oh.
Man, this is cool.
Whoa! Whoa!
Oh, it's like sideways spinning. I've mastered sideways spinning. Is that the thing? Oh.
Whoa! Is somebody else controlling it again? Okay.
Are you okay?
I'm great.
Okay. Ah!
You gotta kind of push forward like Maya did when you take off.
Back up.
Oh, you got something caught in your tail rudder, tail propeller.
Oh my god.
What was that?
Relic landed right beside me.
I was hoping it'd land on my head, but ow! Ow! I got the hang of this now, I think.
Is it working, Callie? There you go.
Wait, friends, wait.
We're finally getting the hang of it, but time's almost up here. These batteries have got to be...
I feel like my batteries are dying.
Yeah, you guys are about done. Bring them in. Alright guys, so that was total chaos, but it was fun. Did you guys have fun?
Yeah.
And you were starting to get the hang of it there towards the end, so maybe next time it'll be much better. But we knew that was going to be chaos, so until next time.
The RC element out.